In this video, we'll discuss 3 examples of reductions of 360 degrees minus theta. And the angles of all 3 examples are placed somewhere in the 4th quadrant. First, let us start with sine of 345 degrees. So I want to rewrite 345 degrees as 360 minus 15 degrees, where the 15 degrees represents the acute angle that we want to apply this reduction. So I got 15 degrees by taking 360 minus 345, and that was equal to 15 degrees. We also know that sine is negative in the 4th quadrant, so the sine of 345 degrees would be equal to the negative sine of 15 degrees. In our second example, we have the cosine of 330 degrees. And in this example, we can rewrite 330 as 360 minus 30 degrees. And we know that cosine is positive in the 4th quadrant. So the cos of 330 would be equal to the cosine of 30. And that is a special angle, which is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. In our last example, we have the tangent of 280 degrees. And 280 can be rewritten as 360 minus 80 degrees. And I find the 80 degrees by taking 360 minus 280. And we know that tan is negative in the 4th quadrant. So the tan of 280 degrees is equals to the negative tan of 80 degrees.